This is actually the second and the third team of Hammersmith. We had no opponents, they didn't come down.
Oh, okay.
So the one on the left is the second team. The one on the right is the one on the right is the second team. The one in the blue shirt is the third team. So it's between us, but they're always the worst games.
So is this a good day for rugby?
What do you think? There were better days. Now it's okay. But you see there's all the balls falling down. And, California, the big guys.
Yeah.
I actually played in San Francisco with a rugby team.
Oh, yeah.
I was there just for a while, and they invited me out, and I played rugby with them. It was pretty cool.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm half German, half Italian.
Oh, okay. So you play
London,
rugby. Yeah, imagine
I started in Italy a long time ago.
that. Oh, okay.
I'm getting old. I'm 40, so just like it's my last time.